Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of chilled, relaxed plant content, where we talk about our plants and we just try to grow them the best we can. If that sounds like something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button. Let's be plant friends. So, today is a plea for help. I'm going to be showing you 3 plants that I think I'm killing, and any suggestions or recommendations would be greatly appreciated. Yeah, let's just start. Okay, so we'll start from, I guess, best to worst, maybe? I don't know. Alright, my Epipremnum pinnatum skeleton key. I'm not sure the camera is picking up how sad this plant is looking. All of the leaves up to about here are yellowing. And then we have a couple of okay green colored leaves down here. Now, I don't see any spider mite type of webbing. The heat is on, so it is drier, so spider mites can come around. But I'm also pretty good at just like spraying my plants as a preventative, like a water / alcohol mixture, just lightly spraying it every once in a while. But yes, I think this plant kind of freaked out because it got cold and I forgot to turn the heat on in this room. So there was a couple of days that like it got cold in here. The heat is on now. We're all good now. But this guy was next to a window and I think I might be killing this plant. I don't know. I'm hopeful. We do have a new leaf right here coming in, but yeah, I don't know. Should I cut it and take cuttings of it? I know I need to like stake it up eventually to get the key shape, the skeleton key shape of the leaves, but I wasn't ready to do that yet. But now I'm kind of like, look at all this bare vine. I mean, there's gonna be more bare vine with all these yellowing leaves. I don't know. If I leave a plant like bare, will it grow new leaves out of the nodes on the epipremnums? I know that will happen for philodendrons, the climbing philodendrons, and I know it can happen for Hoyas. I don't know about the epipremnums. If like, you know, if like it's a spent node. I don't know if that's a real thing either, but I don't know. But I think I'm killing the plant. And I'm sad about it. So if there are any botanists or anybody out there who knows, let me know. Like, I see, where is it? Right here. I don't even know if you're going to be able to see that. Maybe if I get it out of the frame completely. You see that lighter color? That looks like some type of activation. So I don't know if that's going to be a new leaf or a new branch. So I'm hopeful that I don't have to really cut it up because I'm trying not to have propagations over the winter. I'm really trying hard. Only like dire necessity type of things. But yeah, we're sad. We're just sad. The next one's a Hoya and it hurts. Oh, it hurts. It's my Hoya rotundiflora. It was behind another plant, I think, and it was like kind of on the top shelf. I forgot to water it, and this is what we got left. I think there's only 2 like stems left. These don't look good. Ugh. We dropped a leaf. One of the leaves fell off. So we have this. I think this one's gonna die. It looks like it's trying to start rooting. And then we have this guy, which looks like there's a little root right here. This is part of the stem that's dead. I gotta cut that off. But right there, I don't know if you can see it. Looks like a little root is coming in. I also have to wash this off like a lot, like more than any other type of plant I've tried to propagate. It gets like this weird slimy stuff on it. And I don't get it on any of my other propagations, just this one Hoya. I don't know if it's because it's a fuzzy leaf maybe, or it's just the Hoya, that's just what it does. But if anybody knows, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, this was a case of underwatering and then overwatering because I underwatered it. So yeah, I will say this long tendril has not died off yet. So I think at least this part will be okay. The leaves are still kind of wrinkled. I'm not sure if you can see that. This leaf's not wrinkled, but it did just drop one, so I don't know what that's about, but yeah. See, even people who, you know, say they're really good at a genre or they collect a lot of something have accidents and accidentally kill plants. And I think I'm killing this plant. Oh, I'm really sad about this. So sad about this. This will be a plant that I replace if I if I can't rehab that plant. I will replace that plant. So the last one. Oh. Look how ridiculous this is. This is the Bentel Sensation. I know. I'm sorry, Beanie. I overwatered it. And I didn't notice until a lot of it had started to rot. And I was able to cut this little piece of the leaf off. And I put it in water, and we'll see. I don't have it in too much water, just a little bit. And I'm really hoping it roots. Because this is such a beautiful, this is such a pretty Sansevieria. And I got it from my friend Beanie. Man. I really hope I can root this. If anybody has any tips on how to get these guys to root, like faster, or if it's really just like a waiting game, let me know in the comments. Because I've never been able to propagate a Sansevieria successfully. Ever. Ever. So, please help. But yeah, we got this guy in here. And yeah, those are the 3 plants that I think I'm killing. January 2023. Hey, starting the year off with a bang. Yeah. So, hopefully next month I can give you like an update and they're all doing well and beautiful, and then the month after that maybe we can repot them and it'll be great. But yeah, I guess until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.